How to copy files from your desktop to your phone. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily transfer files from your computer to your phone. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is plug in your mobile phone to your computer using a cable. And once you do that, you will find this pop-up screen right here. And then the most important step is to allow the file transfer from your phone. I'll put up a screenshot right here. So you just have to make sure that the transferring file option is chosen. And then from there, you want to locate the file that you want to move to your folder or your device. Then open the folder on your device where you want to share it. And then once you find your folder, all you need to do now is just go ahead and drag and drop your file to copy it, and it will be transferred to your phone. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.